there, this is Elisa with WTI. These handmade natural rattan coasters are super unique. I love, first of all, the appearance, and I really like that they're all handmade. These are wonderful if you are looking to protect your furniture from cold or hot beverages. This is woven rattan. They are all handmade, even the box where they come in. And there's 6 coasters in total. These are beautiful. They're very easy to clean. You clean them with either a brush or a cloth. You can see the durable material as well. And they come beautifully packaged. These literally would make the perfect gift. I also love that it goes perfect with my decorations since they're very boho-like. So if you're looking for something handmade, unique, I highly recommend these coasters. So if you're trying to take care of your furniture and at the same time have some unique coasters, definitely go for these. And that is my point of view.